In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to intensify black and white images and make them pop in Darktable. Now, whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, making your black and white photos stand out can truly transform their impact and storytelling power. We'll walk through some simple yet effective steps that will help you achieve that pop you're looking for in your images. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you need to open your photo in the darkroom view. Darkroom is where all the magic happens in Darktable, allowing us to focus on enhancing and editing our images. With the photo ready and loaded, we'll move right into the core of our adjustments. Next, we're going to activate the monochrome module. This step is crucial if your image isn't in black and white yet. The monochrome module will convert your image, removing color distractions and bringing out the essence through shades of black, white, and gray. Now that we have our black and white canvas, let's focus on contrast using the RGB curves module. Here, we're going to create a subtle S-curve. This technique increases the contrast by darkening the shadows and brightening the highlights, which is essential for adding depth and drama to your image. Continuing with contrast adjustments, consider using the tone equalizer. This tool allows you to fine-tune specific tonal ranges, making it perfect for deepening shadows and brightening highlights even further. By manipulating these tones, your image gains more definition and a dynamic range that's visually pleasing. For that extra touch, you have the option of using the local contrast module. This module is excellent for enhancing fine details and adding that extra pop. By boosting local contrast, the textures and details in your photo will stand out more prominently, giving your image a crisp, professional look. Finally, let's polish our image with the Sharpen module. This step is all about enhancing clarity and ensuring that every detail in your photo is as sharp as possible. It's the finishing touch that can make a significant difference in how viewers perceive the intricacies of your image. And there you have it. That's how you intensify black and white images and make them pop using Darktable. Remember, each photo is unique, so feel free to experiment with these modules to find the perfect balance for your style. Keep practicing, and over time, you'll master the art of creating stunning black and white imagery. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!